back here.
I am. Bump, dude. Not too hard. That one's pretty solid.
That one must have screws in it.
Come on, dude, give it to her.
They're fake nails and the tree's still alive. No, don't. That thing's gonna, when it does come off, it's gonna punch you so bad.
Hey guys, Sonia, Joe, Jake, hi.
Alright, just pull that table up a little bit on your front rack and get over on the other side. Whoops, it just fell off. Am I on it? Get over here.
That's how you take down.
Scared the shit out of him.
You gotta use on the safe side. Now that.
Sweet.
Take down Deere. Oh yeah!
Yeah, it is.
Take down the